Welcome to a bustling Las Vegas hotel casino, where people eagerly wait for 30 minutes, each with eager anticipation. Look at the pure wonder on guests' faces as they engage with the most beautifully trained parrots in the world as they sit gracefully on guests' shoulders and arms, creating a magical aura that captivates everyone. Everyone's question is, what's the cost for this incredible experience? It's absolutely free with a simple sign-up for the player's card. Guests use their trusty camera phones to capture this extraordinary moment, and then share it instantly on social media. It's not just a memory, it's a moment that is seen around the world, spreading the joy of this unique Las Vegas experience that only your casino can offer.